Hello world, I am Samim. I am a software engineer and team lead. Today I will show you how you can remove your inactive Facebook friends using socialytics v1.1.0, which is a Chrome extension and developed by me. So let's install that Chrome extension first. To install the Chrome extension, I am just searching socialytics, and here you can see the URL chrome.google.com, and socialytics it is showing. So I am just clicking here, or you can go to the Chrome store and there also you can search by this name socialytics, and just click on this button, add to Chrome. It will be installed in this browser. It came, let's pin it. To use this Chrome extension, make sure you are logged in Facebook on this browser. So let's open Facebook. So here I am logged in, and you just have to make sure that you are logged in this browser. You no need to keep it open, even you can close it. Okay. Now just click on this icon, socialytics icon, you can see over here, and I'll be not using login. Instead of that, I'll be using guest access. Guest access is free access that anyone can use without login. And if you do login, so before that you have to click on register to create your account. And as soon as you will be clicking on this, you will be landing on this page, and it is saying the socialytics, it is giving lifetime access only at $199. So this is a great offer right now I am giving. So if you want to get the lifetime access, you can just go for this one, $199, and this offer is for very limited time, because in the next version release only I am going to make this one as subscription module. Okay, so let's not talk so much about this thing. I am closing this one, and let's go back to that extension, and I am clicking on this guest access. Okay, so I came here, this is a guest access which is completely free. Okay, now what I have to do, it is saying over here, like, see, please log in into Facebook in the same browser, and then reopen socialytics and click on analyze button to see the report. So already I have checked that I am logged in on this browser, so I am just clicking on this analyze button, and as soon as you will be clicking on this analyze button, it will be starting analyzing your Facebook profile. And right now you can see the message, it is saying getting friends. So it is fetching all your friends from your Facebook profile, and it will be taking little bit time. After getting these friends, it will be fetching your all messages to analyze that whom you send message most, or like who send you message most. Okay, I'll be making this process little bit faster, so you no need to wait so much. Okay, so we are done with the process. Now we can see the report. Here it is saying my friend's name, mutual friends count, messages count. Here it will show reactions count, like heart react, love react, whatever it is, and that's simply like, all those will be counted as reactions count. And comments, that how many comments that person have given to your post so far. Okay, so here it is saying not available in this guest mode, and log in to view this. So to see these data, you have to do login, and to login, obviously, like, you have to register yourself. Okay, now what you are getting over here, mutual friends, you can do ascending and descending sorting. The Pekka, I do have mutual friends with her, 99 messages, 0. Kostav Hazra, 94 mutual friends and 12 messages. Like this way I can see. And also I can search, as I can see here the mutual friends are message, so I can search by that. Let's search those inactive friends, like with whom I do have mutual friends 0 and messages also 0, like the person never ever messaged to me. Okay, and we don't have any mutual friends, so let's search them. Okay, so these people's I do have here, where I don't have any mutual friends and also no messages. So if I think that these people is useless for me, I want to unfriend them, I can select them like this way, or even I can select from here also. Okay, and I am doing unfriend this one, the Vicky Rohra. Okay, so first I'm opening this friend. Okay, let's go to the profile Vicky Rohra. Right now you can see it is my friend, it's showing its friends. Now obviously, like when I'll be unfriending, after that it will be showing the send friend request or something like that. Okay, so I've selected this friend. Now to demonstrate, clicking on unfriend, and this friend will be removed from my Facebook profile. Are you sure? Yes, I am. So when you'll be selecting multiple friends, it will be taking a little bit time to remove one after one, just to keep your Facebook profile safe. Otherwise Facebook will ban you if you are selecting so many friends and removing at a time. Though like this Chrome extension will not let you do that, it will be removing one after one within some time interval. Okay, now you can see over here, like after removing this friend, it is done actually, and again it is fetching friend data. So that means like it is again analyzing your profile. What feedback I got, like this feature is like irritating them. So in the next release I'll be fixing this one. So let's see that the Facebook profile which actually I have selected for unfriend. Let's refresh it. Okay, already it is saying add friend, so that means that this person is no more friend with me. Okay, so after analyzing all these things, again like we'll be seeing this person is not showing over here. So again, like you can see, like it is analyzing messages one after one, and it will be taking a little bit time. So I'm not wasting time on that, and I'm just refreshing to cancel. And as I have just cancelled it, you can see that friend is still exist because data is not updated yet. Okay, see, it is there, this name Vicky Dora, it is still there. Okay, and if I do analyze again, after that it will be removed because that person is not friend with me anymore. Okay, best of luck my friend. Okay, that's it. I hope you have liked this video and this Chrome extension. If you want to use this Chrome extension, I'll be giving the link in the description below. Please get it from there and install on your Chrome browser. I hope you'll be enjoying this Chrome extension. And just wait for a few more days. I'm going to release another version which will be more faster and more efficient. And I'm thinking to give more ability for guest mode. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.